In this question, it is given that consider the parabola y square equal to 4x. Let S be the focus of the parabola. A pair of tangents drawn to the parabola from the point P equal to minus 1 meets the parabola at P1 and P2. Let Q1 and Q2 be the points on the lines SP1 and SP2 respectively, such that PQ1 is perpendicular to SP1 and PQ2 is perpendicular to SP2. Then which of the following is oblique or true? The meaning of the question is, this is the parabola equation is y square equal to 4x. From the point P to 1, we have drawn two tangents to the parabola and they meet the parabola at the point P1 and P2. This is the SP1 and this is SP2. We have drawn perpendicular from P to SP1 and SP2 both. This angle is 90. This angle is also 90. And this foot of perpendicular is Q1 and this foot of perpendicular is Q2. Obviously, for the parabola y square equal to 4x, the focus will have coordinate. It is absolutely not a difficult question, straightforward question it is. Just find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular from the point P to SP1. Similarly, find the coordinate of the point Q2, and after that we can find the correct choice very easily. For finding the point Q1 and Q2, first of all we will require the coordinates of P1 and P2. To find the coordinate of P1 and P2, let any point on the parabola be 80 square 280, which will become t square comma 2t. Because a is 1, hence this has become t square comma 2t. And we'll find the equation of tangent at the point t square comma 2t, and we'll make it pass through the point minus 2 comma 1, and from there I will get a quadratic equation in t, and the roots of that equation will be parameter of P1 and P2. First, let me do this, and for crystal clarity, I will tell you this thing also. What is the logic behind it? Many students would be already knowing the logic, because as I have promised that my solutions are always crystal clear, therefore I will make you understand the reason of this procedure. First, let me find the coordinate of P1 and P2. As I told you, because this is any point on the parabola, I find equation of tangent at the point t square comma 2t. As we know, the general formula for finding the equation of tangent at the point a 80 square 280 is ty is equal to x plus 80 square, and because a is 1 here, therefore equation of tangent at the point t square comma 2t will become ty is equal to x plus t square. And let us make this tangent pass through the point minus 2 1, that is t equal to minus 2 plus t square, that is t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. Obviously, one root of this equation is minus 1. It is very easy to see. And because product of the root is minus 2, other root automatically becomes 2. Otherwise you can solve it and get these roots, but it is better you should be able to find roots directly. And minus 1 and 2 means the parameter of this point is 2 and the parameter of this point is minus 1, because afterwards I'll make you understand this thing, that how can I say that the values of t I have got from here represent the parameter of p1 and p2. Otherwise it is not difficult if you have prepared for JEE Advanced seriously. Still, for crystal clarity purpose, I will explain this thing also. Parameter of this point is 2 means the point becomes 4 4, and parameter of this point is minus 1 means point is 1 comma minus 2. Now we find the equation of SP1. The equation of SP1 will be y minus 0 equal to 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 1 into x minus 1, means 3y equal to 4x minus 4, that is 4x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let this point be x1i1. Then according to formula for finding the foot of perpendicular from a point on the line, I think all of you must knowing that formula, I will get the result x1 minus, note that the coordinate of p are minus to 1 and I have drawn perpendicular from p to the line SP1 and Q1 is the foot of perpendicular. X1 minus 2 upon 4 will be equal to y1 minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 8 minus 3 minus 4 upon 4 square plus minus 3 square upon 25. That is x1 is equal to 4 into 3 by 5 minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 3 into 3 by 5 plus 1, that is x1 is equal to 2 by 5 and y1 is equal to minus 4 by 5, means actually this point is, means actually the point Q1 is lying in fourth quadrant. Similarly, to find the coordinate of Q2, let us suppose it as x2y2. First of all, we will find the equation of the line SP2. That will be y minus 0 is equal to minus 2 minus 0 upon 1 minus 1 into x minus 1. Note that if 0 has come in the denominator in coordinate geometry, while using the slope of a line, if 0 is coming in the denominator, we don't take it as undefined. We just take 0 on this side and proceed further. That is, 0 on this side will make left hand side as 0 and I will get the answer x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means vertical line. Otherwise it is not necessary to explain, but keeping the promise of crystal clarity in mind, I would like to explain this thing also. That is, the proper figure according to the information I have collected so far is this is the parabola, this is the point S, this is P2, this is P1, because just now I found that the coordinate of P1 were 4, 4, and the equation of sp2 was x equal to 1. That is vertical line. This point is 1, 0. Means the situation is of this type. Hence I can say this is the proper figure according to the information I have collected so far. This point is 4, 4. Equation is y square equal to 4x, and x coordinate of this is 1. Automatically means y coordinate is -2. Hence I can say this is the proper figure. This point is P. Agreed. I could easily proceed further without explaining this also, but for crystal clarity I am explaining this also. And now it is clear that this point will become Q2 and this point will become Q1, and the coordinate of Q1 we have already found are these. That is, this point is 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5, and this point is -1. I can easily find this point. Clearly this point will have x coordinate 1 because this point has x coordinate 1, and because this point has y coordinate 1, hence point Q will also have y coordinate 1. Hence I have got the coordinate of Q2 as 1, 1. And for those students who are finding a bit inconvenient to draw the figure once again, as I told you, it is not necessary to draw the figure once again. That I had done just for crystal clarity. Otherwise I can find the coordinate of x2 y2 in this way also, as we have already found equation of sp2 as x minus 1 equals 0. Now I draw perpendicular from the point P to this line, and because foot of perpendicular has coordinate x2 y2, I will say x2 minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y2 minus 1 upon 0 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 upon 1 square plus 0 square. That is, I get x2 plus 2 by 1 is equal to y2 minus 1 by 0 is equal to 3. That is, x2 is equal to 1 and y2 equal to 1. And now after collecting all the information, first I find the length S21. S21 is equal to, because S point is 1, 0 and Q1 has the coordinate 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5. Therefore I get 1 minus whole square plus 0 minus 4 by 5 whole square. That is equal to 3 square plus 4 square by 5, that is 1. Hence I can say A is wrong choice. Now I find Q1, Q2. As Q1 I had found was equal to 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5. Hence I write 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5, and x2 y2 I found were 1 1, hence this is equal to 1 comma 1. And now to check the second choice, I find Q1 Q2 by the formula 1 minus 2 by 5 whole square plus 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, that is equal to under root 9 by 25 plus 81 by 25, that is under root 90 by 25. This is equal to 3 root 10 by 5. Hence I can say B is correct choice. And now I find PQ1, and because P is the point minus 2 1, Q1 is the point 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5, hence I can say the length PQ1 is equal to under root minus 2 minus 2 by 5 whole square plus 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, that is equal to under root 12 square plus 9 square by 5, that is under root 225 by 5, that is 15 by 5, that is 3. Hence I can say C is also correct choice. And now to check the value of SQ2, S is known to us as 1 0, Q2 is known to us as 1 1, hence SQ2 is equal to under root 1 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Hence I can say D is also correct choice.